Today, as you can see from the title, I won a crystal mystery box and I'm going to be unboxing it on this channel. I won this crystal mystery box on Facebook by a seller named Trejjah. She has a Facebook, a TikTok, and now she's got a YouTube channel, which will all be linked in the description box below. If you end up liking this video, there's also going to be links to one of my other channels that I used to do, where I used to buy crystal mystery boxes and unbox them on YouTube, and that's how I ended up learning all the different crystals. And now I have a vast crystal collection. Not only that, but I also sell my own crystal mystery boxes, and the link for that should also be in the description box. But anyway, I won this on Facebook, and it was a raffle, and it was to win a £45 mystery box, and it was £2 a number. Sometimes she does different amounts of numbers that you can buy, and it'll be like a £50 or £60 mystery box. So this was a £45 mystery box, and when it came, I just opened it. I've not actually seen what's in it, but I just opened it up to kind of get an idea of what's in here. I have bought the most of my mystery box from this seller, so she really knows what I like. I'm expecting to see possibly little figures like shapes or aura-coated crystals, because that's what I love. But we'll open it up and we'll see, because I haven't bought one from her for a while, so we'll see if she remembers what I like. She probably does, because I bought so many, it was disgraceful. I'm not even going to look in the box, I'm just going to pull out the first one that I get. What I did notice when I looked in here is that normally when you buy crystal mystery boxes, she puts numbers on the crystals, and then she puts an envelope in to tell you what each one is, but this one doesn't seem to have a piece of paper in it. I might not need it anyway, but just to let you know, if you end up buying a mystery box, she normally puts a little bit of paper to tell you what the crystals are. On my other channel as well, my Poison Pixie Crystals channel, where I used to unbox crystal mystery boxes, I also did a full unboxing of, I think it was 5 or 6 crystal advent calendars, and I opened them up every day and then reviewed them, and that was so much fun. I spent so much money on those crystals, that was insane. I would like to do that again sometime. So the first thing that we've got here is this little face, and it looks like, I think this might be one of the little people from The Nightmare Before Christmas. I don't know their names, but it's like the kids that wear the little scary masks. I think that's what this is, and I think this is obsidian. This is adorable. Do you know, this would make a nice pendant if you really liked The Nightmare Before Christmas. So this is an amethyst point crystal with a snake round the bottom. You can't really see that, but this isn't usually where I record my videos. I normally record them in my own room, but I couldn't be bothered making my bed, setting up my ring light, like getting everything ready, so I just thought I'd come in here to make this one. So you can't really see that very clearly, but there is a snake at the bottom of that. I actually don't have any point crystals like this, so that's unusual. Next we have a blue, I call it blue goldstone, but it's blue sandstone. It's a man-made crystal, and I love shiny, anything glittery, shiny. It doesn't matter to me if a crystal's man-made. I really wish that you could see how sparkly this is, but I'm actually sitting in front of a window, so it's like pure sunlight that's coming in, so you're not going to be able to see this properly, but it's really nice. I actually love sandstone. Next we have this aura-coated quartz, or is it aura-coated amethyst actually? I don't know if it's dyed quartz or if it's actually aura-coated amethyst. I'm not sure. But aura-coated it's a man-made, it's a man-coated crystal. They do it with metals and stuff, and a lot of people don't like these. For whatever reason, I think they're stunning. But I don't have one like this, and it's really nice. It's quite unusual. I do have aura-coated, like rough ones like this, but I don't have any this kind of shape, so that's nice. This next package has got 5 little mini ones in it. I'm not sure what this is, but it's got like little black lines. I don't know if it's like tourmalated quartz. I'm not sure, because it looks a bit like agate, but then it's got the little lines in it. So I'm not sure about that one. This one, I'm not sure. It's actually been so long since I've bought any crystal mystery boxes or looked at the crystal names, because at one point I just knew them all, but now I've got so many that I can't buy any more, so I don't keep up to date with like what they are. I'm not sure what this is. I don't think it's adventuring. I'm not sure, but it's like, it's a little green one. You can't even see properly. Let me see if I can turn this light up. No, I can't. This one looks like lapis lazuli. That's a nice little hat. When I first looked at this, because of the blue right down the middle, it looked as if it was like one of the crystals with the little resin bits, but it's actually just one crystal. So that's adorable. I love a heart shape. And then we've got this labradorite tumblestone. And then we've got this little bismuth car. This is man-made. I don't know if it occurs naturally, but it's usually man-made, and they kind of like pour metal into a pot and it comes out all like crazy shapes and it's stunning. But this is the first time I've ever seen it actually put into a little shape. I love it. Rainbow bismuth, it's so cute. I'm well keeping that. And finally we've got one more package with I think 3 little mini things in it. So the first thing we've got is this dyed pink aura coated quartz, which I think is stunning. I actually make crystal trolls, and I'll probably use this to like put a troll in front of you and put it on a little pedestal. That's adorable. We also have this really stunning chunk of pyrite. The amount of pyrite that I've got is insane, but a lot of my pyrite is like the cubes, like it's got all the little cubes all over it, or it's rough like this, and then it's got cubes inside it. But this is the only piece that I've got that's actually like sliced into chunks, and you can see like the cut marks in it, which I really love. Anything that's shiny, I love. And finally, we've got this little golden obsidian or silver sheen obsidian bear, which is beautiful. So that's everything. I think my favourite thing in this whole box actually is this wee cat. Beep beep. So cute. I also like this. I love a shape. I love a shape. And this little mask. Absolutely stunning. I think I bought 3 numbers, so I think I spent £6 and I won this £45 box. If you would like to check out Trejjah's Facebook or Instagram or any of those pages, I'll leave the link in the description box below. And also if you would like to see any more unboxings from Trejjah, I've got them over on my Poison Pixie Crystal channel. And if you would like to buy a crystal mystery box from her, just click on the links. Or you can go onto my page, my eBay, and you can buy a crystal mystery box. If you've got any questions about that, you can also ask any questions in the comments. Bye bye!